Hi, my name's Maria and I work on a project called Community Connections with the MS Society. The project is funded by Wales and West Utilities and aims to support people with MS, their unpaid carers and their family members throughout Wales and the southwest of England. And we do this through connecting people with services on our helpline, through our virtual support events on our website, and through connecting them with local support services such as citizens advice or social prescribing. This could be for issues with finances, well-being or employment, and Wales and West support us to raise awareness of the dangers of carbon monoxide amongst our clients and provide them with carbon monoxide alarms where appropriate. We also assist people to sign up to the Priority Services Register, and we're able to provide other energy related information to our clients. If you or anybody that you know would benefit from our services, please get in touch by emailing msconnections@mssociety.org.uk or phoning our helpline on 08 08 800 8000. Thank you for listening.